Today, we were assessing the extent of the coral bleaching on Rarotonga's 4 reefs using scuba gear. Coral bleaching is a stress response by corals to elevated temperatures or when the waters are warmer than usual. In this situation, corals expel the pigments that give them their color and they turn white. We've found that most bleaching occurs at depths less than 10 meters. We've also found that 50 to 60% of corals are partially bleached, especially among Pocillopora, Leptoria, and Aquapora species.
So there are 2 types of coral bleaching that we have seen here in the Southern Cook Islands, and the first is associated with extreme low tides, especially during the daytime. That is where corals in the shallow environment, like reef flats and lagoons, are exposed. This generally occurs during El Nino events. The second type of coral bleaching is associated with regional warming during La Niña events. So in this scenario, corals of the 4 reef tend to be bleached. So this is what we are seeing now. Bleaching of this nature was previously seen during the La Niña event of 2016 and 2017. The good news, corals during that bleaching event pretty much recovered, and we are expecting the same outcome with this event.